God bless you, dear students. This is your English lesson, Cambridge 6. Today I will share the poem with you. The name of the poem is My House. Students, my house, it's a blessing of God. The difference between house and a home: a house is something you can touch or see, it is building itself. But a home is something you can't touch or see, it is center of family life, the place to which you belong. Students, the objectives of this lesson to introduce different kinds of writing, poetry, to develop the reading and writing skills, to know the culture of family, to understand the meaning of and interpret the text, to identify the of words in the text. You can see this is a picture of the beautiful house, and there are 2 bedrooms and a bathroom upstairs. There is living room and kitchen and dining room up downstairs, and I like my house, the girl is saying. Students, there are different rooms upstairs and the downstairs also for the living of the people. You can see the picture of the house. This is also a beautiful picture of a house, and you can see the picture of the father and the girl, daughter, and how they have affection, and they are doing the gardening, and they are showing love to one another and concern. This is a picture of the grandmother, and how the grandmother is looking after the baby girl, and promoting the values and the norms and the traditions of the family, and how she's doing the gardening and with her granddaughter. You can see the picture of the family: grandfather, grandmother, daughter, son, daughter-in-law, and their grandchildren. And these are the blessings of Almighty God. You can see this picture also, how a lovely family it is. Students, this poem which I am going to share is written by Auntie M. Bay of Nivelle. She she was born in 1926. She was educated at both primary and secondary school level by the religious order of nuns of Saint Joseph Diaconate. Students, she writes, I have built my house without sand, without water, with my mother's heart forms a great wall. My father's arm, the floor and the roof, my sister's laughter. Students, family is the single most important influence in a child's life. From their first moments of life, children depend on parents and the family to protect them and provide for their needs. They are children's first teachers and act as a role models in how to act and how to experience the world around them. And they protect each other from harm, provide shelter, physical support and emotional support. And the parents and the grandparents, they promote the values, norms and traditions to the new generation, to their children. And family is a genuine care and concern for others. Family is a fundamental institution of human society. She writes, I have built my house without sand, without water. It means that she has built the house with the emotions. What makes a poet's house a home? Feeling of love. She writes that she built the house with the feeling of love among the members of the family, and it really makes the poet's house a home. And she writes, my mother's heart forms a great wall. Her mother's love encircles her. Her father's love, protects her. Her sister's affection, My sister's laughter. My sister, the writer describes her sister's affection brings color to her life, and her brother's love brighten her life. You can see next the doors and windows. You know, the writer writes my sister's laughter, the doors and the windows. My brother's eyes light up, light up the house. And writer describes the feelings and the emotions of the family. And it is this house is built of by love and trust. And the poet used simple words to as to describe a simple thing, namely the home. Difficult words are both unsuitable and unnecessary for the purpose. Students, Shirai, my home feels good. My home is sweet. Home, sweet home. Homes are always, make the really homes may with love and affection make the real homes. Why do you think the poet choose to use no commas or full stops? She did not use full stops or commas because they affect the continuity of the poem. Students, you can, as I told you, that the parents, the grandparents, they promote the values, norms, and religious values of the society, and their care and concern and affection make the real home, and the feelings and the emotions and the of the brothers and the sisters, they make up really they make up the really home. And here I have written some of the questions. What is difference between house and the home? As already I have told you. What makes poet's house a home? Definitely it makes the love and emotions and such type of the feelings make the house, makes the home. And explain how the poet's families make her feel. Her mother's love encircle her, and her father's love protects her. Her sister's affection brings color to her life. Her brother's love brightens her life, and it is built of love and trust. And this house is not built of bricks. What is still built of? You must read the poem carefully and give the appropriate answers. This it is built by love and the trust. And can you explain what the poet values in life, and how do her values compare with yours? She believes that love is more important than anything. I also believe in such values, students. And for me, a loving family is preferable to an expensive house. An expensive house is useless, even painful, without a loving family to reside in it. Here are some of the words: forms, made up, light up, make bright, sweet, clear, lovely, trough, treasure, stunning, strikingly attractive, damage, destroy. Read the poem carefully and try to give the answers of the question. Thank you and God bless you.